Hey friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So you might have clicked this video because you encountered some problems such as your mouse is not working. So stay tuned in this video because this video tutorial is for you. So now as you can see in here, my mouse is perfectly working, but let's assume that this mouse of mine is not usable. So now you have to go. First that we have to do is go into the menu. So click the Windows key and then again the Windows key and X. So now in this part, we're just going to rely on our keyboard. So the things or the keys that we're going to use are the tab and the arrow keys. So now the arrow key down, let's click this up until to device manager and hit enter. After that, this one will pop up in your computer or in your laptop, and then again using your tab keys and your arrow keys, navigate it until the mice and other pointing devices. So now you might go and click the right arrow key, and then you will be directed to these two mouse. So just choose what mouse is not working in you. So let's say that this one is not working for me. So I'm seeing here that device is working properly, but if ever or assuming that my mouse is not usable or is not working, then go and click tab. So as you can see in here, I'm just navigating it until it comes to general. And then after that, I'm going to click the right arrow key so that I'll be directed to the driver. So now I'm just going to click again the tab. And then it's not clickable for me in here, but you just have to click the arrow key down until the uninstall device. So after that, you're just going to uninstall the device and then you're going to restart your computer. So for you to be able to restart your computer, you just have to click the Windows key, the tab icon, the tab key, and then just arrow down and go to the power button. Click enter and then you'll just choose restart. So after restarting, you have to try everything and see if your mouse is already working. So if this video helped and if you like this video, please give us your thumbs up. And if you find this video is helpful for you or if it worked for you, then hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be updated on our new upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and I hope this video helped you. Goodbye and see you on our next video tutorials.